It's so bright today. I can't even see you guys. We just left Best Buy. I'm gonna order my phone tonight so that way hopefully it can get to me before my plan ends so I can transfer my information over. But I literally feel like the world is against me today. Nothing is going my way. I tried to go buy contacts and my prescription expired, so I can't get any until I do an eye exam. So I thought I hit rock bottom, but there's more underneath the rock. It is so hot today. I think it's like 80 degrees. Today's just been like a really shitty day. Like nothing is working out for me. I feel like I've hit rock bottom, but this is everything that's underneath the rock. And it just sucks. Like I feel so defeated today. I feel like nothing is working out for me, and it's just, I don't know, days like this, it just makes me feel like I'm such a small person and I can't do anything, and it just sucks to feel like this. So we just ate some frozen yogurt and that was so good. I have not had frozen yogurt in a really long time, and my first job when I was 17, just a little bit before I turned 18, I worked at a frozen yogurt shop, and I worked there for almost 5 years. I think it was 5 years. It was my first job, and I mean, I just needed a job. I was going to school and it was convenient and just worked out. So I literally worked there for so long. I was the oldest employee there left. At one point I was like the only employee. That's what I was thinking too. I overflow it and then I go and water that one, and after this one, invite that, and then I add like something. No, right? We decided to stop by Starbucks and Target, and I got the mocha cookie crumble frappuccino. It's okay. I should have just got like an iced coffee with caramel, but I wanted to try something different. And then we also did the pineapple refresher drink, but this is with coconut milk instead of lemonade. And it's actually pretty good. Oh, they have pineapple chunks in there. I should have done light ice so they wouldn't give us so much ice, but I always forget. It's a really nice day, so we decided to come to Manitou and just walk around. The bug just flew on my hand. So shock off. There's actually a lot of people today at Manitou, which is a good thing. And the weather's really nice. We've been having a lot of rain, so we gotta take advantage of the really nice weather, because when it rains a lot we want the sun, and then when it's too hot we want rain. So you gotta enjoy it while you have it. When I was here last time, oh, that tree looks like it's gonna fall. But when I was here last time, all these trees right here were super yellow, and it was so pretty. This whole thing was yellow. This is where we came when we first started dating. It's the ideal place to come if you don't want to spend a lot of money, because parking is free. It's free to walk around. So it's
not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling